Laban Japan na nga ba ang volleyball journey ni Gia this year? Matutuloy ba ang pagiging import niya sa Denso Eribis sa darating na Japan V-League? Binulabog at pinagpiestahan ng mga netizens ang mga speculations tungkol sa paglipat ni Gia nitong mga nakaraang araw matapos ang Philippine Volleyball League Invitational Conference 2023 kung saan ay nakuha ng Creamline Cool Smashers ang silver medal matapos ang napaka-intense nilang laban against Kurashiki Ablaze team mula Japan. Tuloy nga ang hakbang na ito, ay tiyak na magdudulot ito ng mga pagbabago sa Cool Smashers. Because Gia is one of the most important and vital playmaker ng Creamline Cool Smashers. However, we as fans have to show our full support and respect her decision. Gia going as import will not only open more doors for her internationally but she will also represent the Philippines at isa itong napakalaking karangalan para sa Philippine volleyball. Wala pa namang official na statement from Gia herself and the Creamline Cool Smashers management but it was rumored na Gia will play as an import in the Division 1 team, Denso Eribis, kung saan ay naging club team rin ng most promising outside hitter import from Vietnam na si P4. This stunt will also make Gia the first ever setter imported from the Philippines in a foreign league. Sa gaganaping Japan V-League ay maaari ring makatapat ng team ni Gia ang Saitama Ageo Medics kung saan ay import rin si Jaha Santiago. That is all for our video. Just hit like, share and subscribe for more volleyball actions.